In this video, I will guide you on how to power off the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Apparently, if you have tried to power off your device just by long pressing on the power button, you're going to notice that this actually opens up Gemini or Bixby, which is Samsung's AI, and that is not what we need. So to correctly power off your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you have to press on both the power button and the volume down button just below it, just like so. Long press on both buttons together, and you're going to get the option to power off your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Another option is to basically just swipe down through the control center, and you're going to see the power off button at the top right. Go ahead and tap on it, and also you get the option to power off directly from here. But more interestingly, if you want to be able to only use the power button to turn off or power off your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you want to go over to the settings of your device, scroll all the way down to the advanced settings or advanced feature over here, and you're going to see the side button. Select that, and then here you can see that the long press of the side button actually opens up Google's Assistant. So you want to select that and make sure it is set to power off menu. So go ahead and select that, and now you should be able to power off your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G by long pressing on the power button, and you can simply just tap on power off, tap on it again, and you're good to go. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.